Are you facing an installation error while trying to set up the Heroku CLI? If you see the message, path not updated, original length 1585 greater than 1024, you're not alone. Today, we're going to solve this issue together. I completely understand how frustrating it can be when you're excited to get started with a new tool, only to be stopped by an error message. This is a common issue for many users, especially on Windows 10. Let's dive into the specific question at hand. One user recently asked, "How do I fix the Heroku CLI installation error regarding the path length?" They were eager to get started, but were halted by this pesky message. Sound familiar? Let's find a solution together. So what does this error mean? The path environment variable in Windows has a limit on its length, and when it exceeds that limit, you can run into issues like this. We'll break down how to resolve it step by step. And stick around. At the end of this video, I have a great tip that will help you manage your path variable more effectively in the future. To resolve the error regarding the path length, the user should first check the current path environment variable. This can be done by accessing the system properties. Next, the user should look for the path variable in the system variables section. They need to ensure that it does not exceed the maximum length allowed. If the path variable is too long, the user can remove unnecessary entries. This will help to shorten the length and resolve the error. After adjusting the path variable, the user should restart their computer. This ensures that the changes take effect. Finally, the user can attempt to reinstall the Heroku CLI. This time, the installation should proceed without the path length error. Fun fact, the original limit for the path variable was just 260 characters. Thankfully, we've come a long way, but it's still something to keep an eye on. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. One user shared an alternative solution for the Heroku CLI installation error. They found that their path variable had too many entries, exceeding the character limit. To resolve this, they deleted unnecessary variables from the path, which allowed the installation to proceed successfully. That's all on that answer. Let's take a look at another one. An alternative solution from another user suggests that the Heroku CLI installer is unable to update the path because there are too many environment variables. They recommend deleting any unnecessary variables to resolve the issue. Now, let's dive into a different answer from another user. An alternative solution from another user suggests setting a user variable instead of a system variable. After following the previous advice, you can check if Heroku is in your path by running echo sent path %. If it appears, you're all set. If not, add a new entry to the user variable on the same screen. That's it for that response. Let's explore another one. An alternative solution suggests adjusting your environment variables in the advanced system settings. If you already have a path defined, simply append the Heroku path using a semicolon. For instance, if your existing path is C Program Files x86 Google Chrome application, you would add the Heroku path like this. This method should help resolve the path length issue. Hope it works. Here's that tip I promised. Regularly review your path variable to keep it clean and efficient. This will save you from future headaches and installation errors. And there you have it. You should now be able to install the Heroku CLI without any issues. Remember, keeping your path variable tidy is key. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more troubleshooting tips and tricks.